how to get Spotify Premium for absolutely free. So depends upon the time of watching. It may be 6 months free, or it may be 4 months free, or maybe lifetime. All right, so let's start the video. First, if you want your Spotify to be free, go to your app store and search, and then Spotify, and make sure you update your Spotify. Right, so let me just update my Spotify. All right, so first thing first, you just have to update your Spotify. If you are using iPhone, go to App Store, and if you are using Android, go to Play Store. All right, so after you update your Spotify, go to your browser. I'm using Safari, and from here search for Spotify Premium. Spotify Premium free. All right, search for this. So as you can see now, here we have 4 months free. So this might be sometimes 6 months, or this might be sometime lifetime, depends upon the time of watching. So now as you can see, it's 4 months free, so you can claim this. All right, just tap here and tap start trial, and now all you have to do is log into your Spotify. I'm not going to log in because I have already used this feature once, and if you have used this feature once, you cannot do it again. And also, if you have subscribed to premium before, you cannot use this. As you can see here, offers applies to premium individual only used who haven't tried Spotify Premium before. So if you have tried premium before, you cannot use this. All right, this is only for those who have not tried Spotify Premium a single time, and if you want to try for free, this is where you can get it. Okay, so I think this video is helpful, and if this video is not helpful, then please comment why it's not helpful, and if you didn't like the video, just dislike the video. So yeah, thank you, have a great day.